Nzuri sana. Kwa majina ni Chesire, ni daktari wa wanyama, pia ambasada wa welfare ya kuku, natoka One Forest. Yes. As a project officer, we sent you the day. So in the directly in our house. So we'd like to know what were the challenges you encountered during your field work? Is the main challenge with the farmers I interacted with. First one was most of them were very conservative. They could not allow us to enter the homestead because of, I understand, some security measures by security. Another one we interacted with told me he allowed some people, and the following day all our chickens were lost. Others we interacted with, for example, one who had a cage system was very reluctant, was saying as if they are against this business. So that was the main challenge, to convince him and to bring him to understand the welfare of the chicken was the main challenge. And in the end, what was his final feedback? I'm very grateful and very happy because I took it positively after we visited for several times. I never went there once. We went for the following time. And that time, he was really given to attend our meetings. He was there in Nakuru. Also today he was here. So I am seeing he has started to change slowly by slowly. I'm very happy because he did me at the past, and after our intervention, I'm seeing some positive results. That is good. So from your time in the field, in our training sensitization to upgrade the cage system of production, what would you recommend that should be done to ensure that this changes? First of all, I will recommend awareness, animal welfare awareness. Some are doing just because of business. They don't know the real effects of cage system. So after education, more education, they understand. For that case which I've talked about is a very good example because that farmer didn't need the effects. So after education and sensitivity, the time they will learn that this thing is bad and they will go away without it. Yes. Thank you. And general, in all the farmers you visited, what is your animal welfare assessment? Let's say on a scale of 1 to 10, what the animal welfare situation is in Gishu County that you visited? Yes, for example, on a scale of 1 to 10, most of them didn't know about welfare. Their main agenda is just to the products, the profits. Most of them don't know how to manage diseases in a good way, to interact with the veterinary officers. Most of them, if the bird is sick, they consult among their peers, and some Google, some they read novels. So they just get some weird sources of information which is not good and which is not helpful to the bird. So after I think continue sensitizing them, they will understand and they will adopt it. So if you rate it, 1 being the poorest and 10 being the best, including the 2 or 8 or 5 or something. I think it's almost half. So 5. 5. And which animal right is mostly abused among the farmers? The most abused animal right is the right of disease, free to disease. We will find a sick bird being abandoned. Even if it is separated from the others, there's nobody who attended to that bird and give it food, water, and so the welfare of that bird which is already affected by the disease, is not well taken care of because of the. I think they have given up with that bird and they don't know about the welfare of that bird. So freedom from pain is the most. Yes, yes. Freedom from pain is,